Hey everyone! Before we dive into the code, let me show you what we are building today. So here is a Telegram and I just type to our bot, a majestic dragon flying over a futuristic city at sunset. Okay, so that's our prompt, which is forwarded to OpenAI DALL-E free API. Let's watch what happens next. Let's wait for a couple of seconds. And here we go. Look at that. Our bot just generated this incredible image in a couple of seconds. Right? This is DALL-E free in action, the same AI that powers tools like Microsoft Designer and ChatGPT image generation. By the end of this tutorial, which is only around 15 minutes, your Telegram bot will have the exact same capability, ready to generate any image your users can imagine. Let's dive in. Welcome to the first feature implementation from our Telegram ChatGPT bot roadmap. Today we are adding image generation capabilities using DALL-E free. In this tutorial, we'll add a new image command to our Telegram bot that will allow users to generate images based on text descriptions. This powerful feature leverages OpenAI's DALL-E free model to create high-quality images from text prompts. So, let's get started. So, before we dive into the code, let's understand what we are building. So, users will send a command like image and prompt. Our bot will send this prompt to OpenAI's API. The API will generate an image based on the prompt, and our bot will send a generated image back to the user. And this feature will make our bot more versatile and engaging for user. So, what we will do? We'll implement this feature in 3 main steps. Add a method to our ChatGPTClient to generate images using DALL-E free. Update ChatGPT Telegram bot class to handle the image command and add methods to send images to users. So let's go through each step in details. So first, let's start with ChatGPTClient. So here we have ask command to forward prompts to OpenAI API. Today we'll add another command, generate image, which will do the same, but will forward our prompt to OpenAI API for image generation. As in the previous video, so while I type the code, we'll speed this up. Then, after code is complete, we'll go through it in more details and understand what has been done, why it has been done, and how that works. Okay, it's done. Let's break down what this method does. So it takes a prompt text description as an input. It creates a JSON request body with the following parameters. Model, DALL-E free, specifies that we want to use DALL-E free for image generation. So prompt itself, the user's text description, and that's the how many images we want to be generated using our prompt. So let's use one just for testing. You can change it later. And size. So that's the size. You can also adjust it. So just refer to documentation. So that's the smallest possible resolution. Image could be also bigger, but it will be charged a bigger amount as well. So it's up to you to select. For testing, just we will use this one. So it sends a post request to the OpenAI API endpoint for image generation. So it checks whether the request is successful, and after that it parses the response to extract the URL of the generated image, and it returns the image URL. So this method follows the same pattern as our existing ask method, maintaining consistency in our code base. So step number 2. Sorry. Okay. Step number 2, updating our ChatGPT Telegram bot to handle image command. Now that we have a method to generate images, we need to update our bot to handle image command. So we'll need to update the imports to include classes for sending photos, modify on update received method to recognize the image command, and add a method to handle image generation request. So as usual, let's speed up code writing. After we are done, we'll discuss what we have done, why we have done, and how that works. Okay, now let's go through what we actually have done. So the most important part we have added is related to image handle image command. So also this is rate limited. We don't need it because we have incorporated that into handle as command, handle image command. Let's confirm it. You can see right here. So we just delete it. This is not needed anymore, right? Okay, this is as well not needed. So as command, so basically it's done what we have done so far, nothing changed. Most important thing is related to image command, handle image command. So checks if the user has exceeded the rate limit, extract the prompt from the message, removing the image prefix, right? Like we did for ask. So handle image command. It's too big. I think it should image 6. Yes, 6. It should be 6. Okay, checks if the prompt is empty, shows an uploading photo status to the user, call the generateImage method from our ChatGPT client, send a generated image to the user and handles any errors that might occur. And also let's have a look to send photo. So here we create a new send photo object which handles sending photo. Set the chat ID, set the photo using the URL provided by DALL-E API, set a caption for the photo, which actually is the prompt, execute the send photo action and handles any error that might occur as usual. Okay, and now let's test how that works. Okay, now let's check how that works. Let's go to browser and search for our bot. Okay, now let's test how that works. Let's go to browser and type some command, right? Okay, let's find how our bot actually is named, my Java GPT bot. Okay, let's go, paste it here, and let's go. First let's start our bot. Let's check whether we don't have any errors. Initialize successfully. Okay, let's start. Okay, we see our available commands updated from the last time. Now we have ask and image. Let's do, okay, do image and a cat, for example, wearing a spacesuit on the moon. Okay, so as you see, we have a problem here. Command is not recognized, and that's because here message starts with generate image, not image. Okay, let's correct that. Okay, let's go and check once again. So let's type it once again. Okay, seems it's thinking about something. Okay, and here we go. Here is our picture generated. So image generated based on a cat wearing a spacesuit on the moon. Okay, so that concludes our tutorial related to incorporating DALL-E free features into our chat in our Telegram bot. So Next time we'll continue with that and add some extra features related to DALL-E 3, namely image edit capabilities. For now, that's all. Thanks to all for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.